I was quite lucky to get this space in the walled garden here. My family have had a connection with the owners for a long time. My dad's worked here since I was about 10, so I knew the owner. And the acre that's here was previously just Highland cows and horses were on it. So it was quite unused, and I saw the potential in it, and I had a chat with the laird and kind of showed him my vision, and we got to the point where I got the lease here. So at the moment I'm a sole trader and I don't have any employees, but I would be really out of place to say it was just me doing all the work. I have so much help from my partner. Anything that has been pinned down or built or staked has been to do with him. My mum, bless her, every time she's home from work comes to help. I've got a great friend called Alison, and I have other friends who come, like Kirsty, take photos. Like, I've been really lucky, and you really find out who your friends are when you start a business. I want to start into a new market. So at the moment what happens is I either sell to florists or I sell to wholesale, and it all mainly goes to Glasgow. And I just had sort of a light bulb moment where local people find it hard to actually use my locally grown flowers. So I want to really reach into Perth and Dundee and the surrounding cities and sell more retail, maybe put flowers into hotels and restaurants, make my local flowers more visible locally. So other projects that we're doing, we're part of a Scottish enterprise programme called Planning to Succeed. So there's another, I think it's 8 businesses that are in here. So it's a 3-year funded programme, and our whole objective is to try and find ways to improve the locally grown market. So whether that's distribution or education or just like a raising awareness. So we've got 3 years we're funded, so we'll see what damage we can do at the end of that.